Living in Worcester means experiencing 4 very distinct seasons: freezing winters, humid summers, and everything in between. While these seasonal shifts bring beauty to the area, they also place heavy demands on your home's heating and cooling system. One of the most effective ways Worcester homeowners can reduce those energy costs is by replacing old, drafty, or inefficient windows. Quality replacement windows do far more than improve curb appeal. They directly influence monthly utility bills and long-term energy efficiency. Why older windows increase energy costs? Many Worcester homes still feature windows that were installed decades ago. Older windows often have single-pane glass, loose or warped frames, minimal weather stripping, poor insulation value, visible drafts and air leaks when cold winter air seeps in, or conditioned summer air escapes. Your HVAC system works overtime to maintain a stable temperature. That extra workload translates into higher monthly heating and cooling bills. Even if the leaks seem minor, the cumulative effect throughout the house can significantly impact energy usage. How replacement windows improve winter heating efficiency? Winters in Worcester can be harsh, with regular snowfall and long stretches of freezing temperatures. Energy-efficient replacement windows offer major benefits during these months. Better insulation. Modern replacement windows come with double-pane or triple-pane glass filled with insulating gases like argon or krypton. This creates a thermal barrier that slows heat transfer, keeping warm air inside where it belongs. Reduced drafts. New, properly installed windows seal tightly within the frame. This eliminates the cold drafts Worcester homeowners struggle with in older homes, reducing the amount of heat lost through cracks and gaps. Low emissivity, low E coatings. Low E coatings on the glass reflect heat back into the home during the winter. This technology helps maintain a consistent interior temperature without forcing your heater to run constantly. The result? Homeowners often notice a significant drop in winter heating costs almost immediately after installation. How replacement windows cut summer cooling costs? Worcester summers can be surprisingly warm and humid. Replacement windows also support efficiency during these hot months. Blocking excess heat. Low E coatings don't just help retain heat in winter, they also reflect the sun's infrared rays in summer. This keeps your home cooler naturally and reduces the strain on your air conditioner. Improved ventilation options. Modern windows offer better functionality, including smooth opening and closing, which helps increase airflow during mild days when you want a natural breeze instead of running the AC. UV protection. UV blocking technology prevents solar heat gain and protects furniture, flooring, and decor from fading. A cooler home equals reduced cooling costs and greater comfort. Year-round savings and long-term benefits. When you combine winter heating savings with summer cooling efficiency, replacement windows can significantly lower your annual energy expenses. Many Worcester homeowners report up to 20 to 30% energy savings depending on the condition of their previous windows and the type of replacements installed. In addition to lower energy bills, new windows offer other long-term benefits: higher home value, improved indoor comfort and noise reduction, less strain on HVAC equipment, extending its lifespan, reduced carbon footprint and better energy efficiency ratings. Choosing the right replacement windows for Worcester homes. Because Worcester experiences dramatic temperature swings, homeowners should choose windows specifically designed for high-efficiency performance. Look for features such as Energy Star rated products, double or triple pane insulated glass, low E coatings, durable vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames. Professional installation for maximum performance. A reputable window company can help you select the best products for Worcester's climate and ensure a flawless installation.